I've got a draft blog post about spending 3 days in Rome in front of me, with no real structure, no subheadings, just a wall of text and ideas. By the end of this video, it's going to be a finished blog post, with an image gallery, a pull quote, categories, and tags. Let me show you how. Before we get started, make sure your site is connected to an AI agent. I've linked a setup video in the description if you haven't done so yet. Here is my draft blog post with ideas that I want to get ready for publishing. My first step is to refine what I've written and improve the structure. So I will ask my AI agent to edit and refine my draft blog post, to add subheadings, but not to add or remove any information, because it's my content. I only want it to improve clarity, grammar, flow, and structure. It will then check with me if I'm happy with the plan, and when you are ready, you can give it the green light. Then we can see a rundown of the subheadings that were added and the improvements that were made. And when we open the post, we can see the updated version in place. Let's add a few finishing touches to finalize and refine our blog post. First, let's ask our AI agent to add a pull quote from the most interesting line in the post. If you are satisfied with the suggested quote, you can go ahead. And then it will be added directly to your post. Let's check it out in the editor. The pull quote block is in place, so you can easily replace the text or move it to a new position. Next, I want to ask AI to create 3 categories and 5 tags based on the content of the blog post. Then you can work alongside your agent to finalize your categories and tags. And then it will create and assign all the categories and tags to the post. And when we return to posts, we can click categories and see all our categories in place, as well as tags. And when we make our way to the post, we can scroll down to the bottom of our sidebar settings on the right, and we'll see our categories and tags have been added to the post already. Categories and tags help organize your content and make it easier for people to find and explore related posts across your site. The post is taking shape. Let's give it some visual structure too. I will ask Claude to add a 3-image gallery block below the opening paragraph using images I've already added to my media library. It will then browse the full library and look at titles and file names to identify likely Rome images. Once identified, it will be added to your post. If I open the post, I can see the gallery block has been added, and from here I can move it to a new location or even replace the images. The AI agent handled the structure, the formatting, and the categories and tags, but it hasn't read the post the way a reader will. So I'll be checking that the opening pulls you in, that the sections flow naturally from one to the next, and that the tone still sounds like me throughout. In just a few prompts, my rough draft turned into a structured, formatted blog post, ready to be published on my own terms.